Shopify affiliate program. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can quickly sign up for Shopify's affiliate program and also how does it work, what is their commission. I'll tell you guys about everything. So firstly, when you guys come onto Shopify, after that you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. So now from over here you guys can see that they are promoting their affiliate program very well. So over here you guys can see that you can join thousands of affiliates from across the globe, content creators, course educators, influencers, review sites, and their audiences help launch successful businesses. So all in all, Shopify is solving everyone's problem. So it's going to be very easy to promote Shopify. So hence you guys are going to be getting really good commission. So over here you guys can also see some of the testimonials from some of the biggest names in this particular industry who are promoting Shopify and who are making money. So their commission is basically 10% of whatever your referral buys. So for example, if your referral buys their most premium plan, which is about $300, well then you guys are gonna make $30 from that particular person for the first month. That is how the referral program works. And let's say you get like 1,000 people to sign up, well you guys are gonna make $30,000 from just those 1,000 people. And now you guys must be wondering, like, how am I gonna get like 1,000 people? Well, it's very easy. All that you need to do is to just learn about Google Ads and then just simply run those ads, and you guys are definitely gonna get very good customers and very good passive income as well. So guys, this was Shopify's affiliate program. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Goodbye.